Hi, let's use L293D motor driver integrated circuit with a Raspberry Pi to control two motors. This microchip can control up to 4 motors, but if we want to change direction of rotation, then we are limited to up to 2 motors. I will now show the complete assembled circuit drawing so that you can use it in your design. The important thing is how to identify pin numbers of our microchip. To identify pin numbers, use the dot at one of the corners of the chip. Look at physical integrated circuit. So here you can see the dot. It is pin 1. Position the microchip like this, and pins go on the left side from 1 to 8 top bottom, and on the right side from 9 to 16 bottom to top. Let me show you the pinout of the integrated circuit. Here you see pin numbers and corresponding pin functions. Now I will insert the integrated circuit into the breadboard, and pin 1 goes to line 12. And let me switch to pinout of Raspberry Pi. That's how it looks, and you see on the top left corner is 5 volts pin, and it corresponds to the top left corner of the Raspberry Pi on the complete assembled circuit drawing. And that's basically how you can understand pin numbers and align them in this pinout and complete design. Now I will program Raspberry Pi to control the motors. Let me log into Raspberry Pi and create a file. I will call it Motor Pi. What kind of code do I need for Raspberry Pi? I will use gpiozero library, and I will import motor class. It is quite easy to set up. I define pins for each motor. For the circuit drawing, like you saw in this video, the pins are defined in these lines. In the main loop, I simply call methods like forward, stop, backward. Let us save the file and run the code. It doesn't print anything, but motors are working. I will show you how it looks in real life in several seconds. To quit the program, press Ctrl and C. Here you can see the code is running on an assembled system, and the link to the code is available in the description of the video. That's all for now. Thank you for watching.